Welcome back to SBE Aesthetics, you guys. I did another makeup look, and this look is the blue purple violet, or yeah, blue purple violet color. That's what I was going for. I really love how this look came out, you guys. I creased out my eyelids with a shimmer color, and it doesn't look bad. I really like it. Let me just come a little closer so you guys can see the color payoff. It's really gorgeous. I used the eyeshadow, the purple eyeshadow, or purple blue violet eyeshadow for my lip. So yeah, you guys, this is the look. I'm excited. You can wear this look in the summer or winter. Depending on, you know, what type of look you're going for. I'm going to be headed out to Native Omaha Day. So this is my little glam look for Native Omaha Day. If you guys don't know about it, it's something that Omahans do every second year. So every 2 years, we have a Native Day. So yeah, this is the look, man. I'm like super happy about it, and I'll stand up to show you guys. This is my outfit I'm wearing. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on. Sorry. So yeah, this is the whole outfit. I have this kind of connected, like it's like a cardigan, and I kind of got it like going through my pants loops. But it's really cute, and I think I'm just gonna wear like these little white tennis shoes that I got from Walmart for like $5. So I'm violet and blueing it out today with a white, of course. I got this little necklace from a local shop here. It's really cute. It's like a stone necklace. I really love it. It's very simple, elegant, not too much. Yeah. You guys, I still have the hairstyle. Oh my gosh, what has it been? 2 or 3 weeks? It's still hanging in there, y'all. This is crochet hair. If you want to know how I crocheted this in my hair, check out my video, my Gypsy Locks individual rubber band method crochet, how I did. So this is it. I kind of wanted to go up with the updo and, you know, just kind of like go wild, I guess. I'm going to be doing another hairstyle. I don't know what I'm going to do, but it's definitely time. So probably next week, it'll be another hairstyle. I need to wash my hair and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the makeup look. I really like it. Let me see. Yeah. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so that you guys can be notified whenever I post new videos. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. I'm just super excited to be able to find the time out my day to provide these videos for you guys. I know in time this will become second nature. It's like I'm a makeup artist, and it's like, why not show the world the makeup that I do? Maybe you can learn something. Maybe somebody else can learn something from me. Maybe somebody can relate to something that I'm doing. And it's just so many things that a person can learn from another person. So I hope that you guys take these videos that I do and really learn something from it. Even if you can't book a makeup appointment or whatever, this is what these videos are for you to learn and for me to keep providing. It's my way of giving back to the community. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out more videos coming soon. All right, see you guys later. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be going in with my P. Louise in the shade Rumor 02. And I use this to brighten my eyeshadow colors. I love it. I'm using my Morphe Flat brush to apply the base all on my eyelids. Then I'm going to go in with another Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm going to, it's a blending brush, and I'm going to just blend out that base. Off camera, I apply tape on my eyes, on the outer corners, just for a cleaner definition. Then I went inside my Masquerade palette, eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a brown shade color, something close to my skin tone, just to transition. And I'm applying that above my crease and slightly on my crease. So above and slightly on my crease. Now, I'm using another fluffy brush that I don't think I'm gonna use that one too long because it was a little too big, but I'm gonna go in that purple shade and I'm gonna apply that in my crease. So I switch brushes, as you can see. I'm using a smaller blending brush and I'm applying that in my crease area. The more you apply, the darker the color will get. So I'm going to keep applying until I reach the color that I like, the brightness. And make sure you blend. Now I'm going to be going in with that blue. And I'm going to put that on my eyelid at the bottom. That blue is so pretty too. I love it. So I'm not going all the way in with that blue. I'm just kind of like going halfway, like in the middle, closer towards the end, but not quite to the end. So just focusing that blue in the middle, per se. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with that darker blue, and I'm going to apply that blue on the outer corners of my eyelids. And I'm just going to bring that color into that other blue color so that it can blend with each other. So I'm just making sure I blend in that darker blue with my lighter blue. And I'm also going to bring that darker blue up a little bit more. I'm taking this blending brush, adding that same dark blue, and I'm bringing it up towards the outer corner of my crease area. So I'm just going to focus that darker blue on the outer corner of my crease area because I kind of want to darken the look. Blending is key to any look you're trying to go for, and the softness and all that pretty stuff. Remember, the more you add, the darker it shall get.
Perfect.
Now so I'm just going back in with that lighter blue, just to add making more, sure that I brighten up the color, just to make it pop a little bit more. Then I'm going back in with that, what color was that? That purple color, to add more towards in my crease area and a little bit above my crease area, just to make it pop a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this little blue green, maybe not blue green, but like a green color, and I'm going to add that towards the inner corner of my eyelid. Sorry, I kind of went down. I'm kind of looking at a mirror down below as well. So I'm adding that and I'm blending that right into that lighter blue that's in the middle. The good thing about shimmer eyeshadow colors is they do really good blending with each other. Yep. So I'm just blending that out. I didn't add anything. So now I'm going to take the tape off. Look at that. You see how clean and nice that looks? Take the tape off. I'm going to clean up with some rose water, I believe makeup remover. I forget where I got that from. Now I'm just taking that, wiping any makeup residue left on my face off. I'm going to go in with this black eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that on my waterline. Then I'm going to take a little small blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out that black that I put on my waterline just to smoke it out a little. And here, I believe I'm adding, okay, let's see, sorry. I'm going to add that green at the bottom corner, yes. Inner corner of my eye, yes. Just to make my eye pop and stand out. I really love this eyeshadow palette too, by the way. It's very pigmented. Juvia's palette, you guys did a great job. And I'm sorry, you guys. Again, I'm looking at a mirror that's very low, and I'm kind of going in and out a little bit. But for the most part, you guys will be able to see. So I'm just taking that green and moving it from the inner close to the middle, I believe, and then I'm blending it out. Then I'm going to go in with the blue eyeshadow and the purple, I believe, to add at the bottom. So I did that as well. Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Palace foundation. The foundation was okay. I'm not really a big fan of it. It kind of made me look dead a little. But we're going to work with it. It's okay. I think it was a little too light. So definitely the concealer. I mean, I know you go light, but the concealer kind of threw it off a little. So, but as a makeup artist, I cleaned it up. That's the good thing about makeup. You can clean up, you can add, you can erase. It's beauty and all that. All right, moving on to the concealer from Juvia's Palace. See how bright that concealer is? Yeah. I was kind of scared. I was like, whoa. Woo! No, just play it. But yeah, I'm putting that underneath my eye. Then I'm going to go up, take it to my forehead, take it to my chin, and take it to my nose. Then I'm going to blend it out with my foundation brush from Real Technique. I need to get another foundation brush. I like to try different things, so I will be trying some more brushes from them. Shout out to Kiki Adams on doing a tutorial or a video on the brushes. It was very helpful. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you. So I'm taking a flat foundation brush just to smooth out that concealer underneath my eye and forehead and nose. And you just, right now, you got to have your blend skills on right now, sis. What we doing right now is blend, blend, blend for the win, win, win. Yeah, that's right. I'm like, please, I gotta liven up. I look a little pale. I will liven up. You'll see. Keep watching. Boom, taking that Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Earth to bring some life back to my face, because I was kind of dead. So I'm taking that, and it helped. It did. It helped. And I'm blending. Blending my forehead so we can have a nice bronzy look. Taking my pinky to blend out my contour on my nose. Then going back in with that brush. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. I'm taking some translucent powder here with that big fluffy powder brush you see me. I can't remember what translucent powder I have. Sorry. Then I'm going in, I believe it's the Anastasia brow gel. I really love it. It really sets the brows in place, so it's bomb. Then I'm going in with my Sephora mascara. Sorry if you guys can't see, I kind of bent my head a little further down than I should have. Then I'm going to be putting my babies on, my lashes. And these lashes are gorgeous. I really love them. These are from Skonhed. Skonhed. I'll list it in the description. But it's SK. Skonhed. It comes in a pack of 5. So they're I love these lashes because they are super lightweight. You can't even feel them. Like, they don't feel how they look, basically. And they look beautiful. And they don't even feel heavy. So that's a win-win. So, I'm going to be doing my lips. I'm going to be going in with this blue lip pencil. And I'm going to apply that on my lips. So I'm going to be doing a lot to my lips here, y'all. We're going to try to match it up with my eyes. I'm going to go in. I think I went in with the... Let's see. I can't. Let me see. Okay, so I went in with that purple type of eyeshadow. And I'm applying that all over my entire lip. It almost feels like a powder lipstick.
Perfect.
So I'm just making sure I get as close to the lining of my bottom lip and at the top of my lip, just making sure I put that eyeshadow everywhere on my lip. All right,